Welcome, I'm Miss Danielle, and today we're doing CJP Presents Fun with Flags.
Miss Danielle, what is a flag?
I'm so glad you asked, Miss Thais. A flag is a symbol or a picture that represents a country. A flag is usually in the shape of a rectangle, and sometimes a flag may be in the shape of a square.
I am from Brazil, and this is the Brazilian flag. It's rectangular in shape, and it has 4 colors: green, yellow, blue, and white. The green represents its forest. The yellow represents the gold. The blue represents the rivers and the waters around Brazil. And the white stars its people.
Thank you for sharing, Miss Thais. What a beautiful flag. I was born in America, and the flag here is a rectangle. It's white with red stripes, and it has 50 little stars inside of the blue square. Those 50 stars represent the 50 states.
Flags are important because they portray each country's historical past. Each flag tells its own story. It also shows the rest of the world who we are.
I'm going to share with you a flag that our teacher, Miss Jenna, made for her class. Do you know what flag this is? It's a white rectangle. It has a blue stripe at the top, a blue stripe at the bottom, and a blue Star of David in the middle. The blue stripes represent the traditional Jewish prayer shawl, and the blue Star of David in the center symbolizes and acknowledges the Jewish people and is a symbol of Judaism.
Yes, that is the flag of Israel. Did you know we're celebrating Yom HaAtzmaut? Do you know what Jewish celebration that is?
Yes, Yom HaAtzmaut is the Independence Day of Israel. It's a special national celebration and holiday for the birthday of Israel. This year they're celebrating their 72nd birthday. What is something special that we can make to celebrate this day?
What if we make a flag? I have some play-doh and a Star of David cookie cutter. Let me see.
What a great idea. I think what I'm going to use is a white piece of rectangular paper. I'm going to use some child-safe scissors, and I'm going to make sure that there's an adult around. And then I'm going to use some blue paper. I'm going to cut some strips. Then I'm going to use some glue, I think, to do my stripes. And then I have a jar of beads. I think what I would like to do is pick out only the blue beads. And when I have enough, I'm going to make a Star of David in the middle and glue my beads on. I'll show you when I'm all done.
Wow, I kind of love how this turned out, Miss Danielle. I hope everyone had fun with flags. Happy Yom HaAtzmaut!
Thank you for sharing the flag that you made. Here is the one that I made. I hope everybody has a wonderful time celebrating Yom HaAtzmaut. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time on Fun with Flags.